Where are we going?
To Manham, about an hour's drive east of Adelaide. And here we are, ready to take a cruise down the Murray River. We'll cruise a few kilometres downstream, but this direction goes up to the Riverland. This is Arnold Park, a nice place to visit. I could live here. Anyway, let's get on board and get behind this wheel. The PW Mayflower was built on the Murray River in New South Wales in 1884 and is the oldest original paddle steamer in South Australia.
The river for the next 2 kilometres. Rest of the time, that's a holiday. Take the water up over the hills. Some probably 20. This is the side of the Odenville and Salisbury area. Side of the
Wow, what a lazy way to spend a Sunday afternoon. It's time to head back now. We'll look at some vegetation along the way. There are dozens of birds to be seen around Manham. You would have to move here to see them all. This line of trees stands out in the water off the east bank of the river and stretches for nearly 2 kilometres. It's only about 250 metres across the river in Manham and about half that farther down. 1.5 hours later, we're back on land. You are here. The history of the paddle wheeler Mayflower is on display in the cabin. The Murray River is Australia's longest at about 2,500 kilometres and begins in the Snowy Mountains in Victoria. It flows west through Mildura before crossing into South Australia. It then flows through the Riverland and Manham, coming to Lake Alexandrina on the eastern side of the Great Australian Bight. That was enjoyable. I'll have to do that again. Actually, we were on our way to see Manham Waterfalls, but were distracted by the river cruise.